Hi everyone! So I have a quick little haul to share with you guys. I went to Hobby Lobby to look. You guys know how that goes. I actually didn't even look as much as I wanted to. I skipped like the home decor and the ribbon section. I just went straight to the crafting section, which was really small. So before I left, they were still trying to unpack Christmas. This time that I went, Christmas is like super small. They must have gotten everything out. People went in and bought it all up because it was finally out, I guess. So they've already moved on to like spring shop stuff, which I was really surprised about. If I had more time, I would have stayed in there and recorded. I might try to go back. So everything right now, Hobby Lobby is 66% off. So I'm wondering if it's gonna hit 75 before or after Christmas, because Christmas is like in how many days? Like 2 days. So let's jump on in. So they didn't have like a chart where I was of like how much stuff was, so I was like guessing. I should have pulled my phone out and done the math, but I didn't. So let me see. Christmas. So if it was $3.99, it came out to $1.36. If it was $2.50, it came out to 85 cents. Wow, that was really good. What did I buy? Let's see. $3.99 right here, $1.36. $5.99 was $1.70, and $3.50 came out to $1.12. And then, yeah, that's it. So all for everything, I paid $30.84. So I'm really curious to see how much everything costs. So I'll pull this one out right on top. These were the $2.51. So these were, oh my gosh, these were only 85 cents. I should have bought more. But I bought, I think 2 of each, yeah. So I'm like, that's cheaper than Dollar Tree, because Dollar Tree sells little wooden things like this also, but not this cute and not a Christmas theme. So this is cheaper than Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, I should have got more. So I got 2 of the snowflake and 2 of, I think called Christmas icons. Oh, they call it mini icons. So I really want to paint these and put like little diamond dots on here and like just glitter them up. I think it'd be so cute. So I definitely had to get those, the really cute little red truck in there. Oh my gosh, I'm in shock. I can't believe those are 88 or 85 cents. Did I need this? No, but I had to get it. I just thought it was cute. It's in the jewelry section. It was 99 cents. I'm like, a stackable mini storage. I'm like, that is cute. So I got it. Let's see. Is it gonna like tip over and all my pieces are gonna fall out, or is it pretty well stacked? Oh no. Oh, that is good. If I drop this, it is not coming apart. Okay, so I thought for 99 cents it was gonna be really cheap and they would just like, everything would just come apart, and no. These are cute. Okay, I'm super happy with my purchase. So look, I thought for sure they would bust open, but nope. Okay, so for $1, I got these little storage. I figured sometimes I'm working with like small little beads, or I could put like some jump rings in here. You know, there's just so much that we can stick in these little cases to help get organized. So I'm happy about those. That's really cute, and it's nice and small and it can stay on my desk. I was in the clearance section and I found more of this colored wire. When it originally went on clearance, I think I bought like 3 of them. So I'm so happy that I found another one, because I have since used up all of my green and all of my red. And then, you know, with Valentine's Day coming up, I'll probably use this like hot pink one. So yeah, a whole variety. This purple, I want to try to save for Halloween. I love purple and green with my Halloween. So yeah, really good kit, really good wire. I love that stuff. Let's see. Oh, I love getting these. I did a mini birdhouse last year, I think it was. And I used these as part of like the decorations. And it came out so cute. And there was literally only one left. So I went ahead and I grabbed it because I'm like, that's not going to stay around for much longer. And what was it, like probably less, $1.70, which is super good because it's originally $5. And you could put these on your Chunky Charms because it's strong already. So just use that same hole and stick an eye pin through there and use it for a Chunky Charm. So I'm going to do that too, make like a whole like candy themed one. I think would be really cute. Then I got these little like tiny puffy Christmas trees. I don't know. They were just cute. It was the only one. I'm like, let me just take you home. So this was $1.19. I don't think that's bad. If this was a Dollar Tree, I probably would buy it. So I think that came out really good. Then these were the only 3 left. So I wanted to take advantage and pick these up. So this says Joy. There is another set. I don't remember what it says. I think it says Ho Ho, and it's more like traditional red and green. And this one's more of the pastels. I love the little ornament string. I'm sorry, you guys. I feel like I'm getting sick. The little ornament strings to it. So these came out to $1.36, which I think is really good. So I'm happy I found those. Then I took all of these that they had left. I actually want to change out the little red to bigger pieces. Like, I feel like it should cover more. So I might end up swapping those out, but I just thought these were really pretty. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and take those. So these were 85 cents. That is a good deal. Anything under $1 for crafting is like an amazing deal. So I'm really happy that I found those. But yeah, I'm going to change out the little rhinestones and put little big ones. I think it'd look cuter. And I got 2 of these. And how much were these? These were $1.36. I just think they're really cute. Like, they're perfect for like embellishment boxes, or if you want to make like a tag, or, you know, anything, a ATC card. They're just really cute. Like, you got your little ho ho, then you can put your Santa like over here off to the side and put that like on a little tag. I think that'd be really, really cute. So I'm happy that I found those. I don't think I have these in my stash. I couldn't remember, but I'm like, let me snatch those up, especially right now for that price. Oh, I guess I got 3 of those. I didn't remember getting 3. And then, okay, I've hauled this before when it first went on clearance, but every time I find them, I'm gonna buy it. You cannot beat shipping tape for 50 cents. So 50 cents, I took everything that they had again. So yeah, what is that? $2 for all of this, which I need because I want to send some Christmas Merry Mail out. So I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely going to probably go through a roll or 2 with just the shipping. So I needed that anyway. So that worked out perfectly. And then the same thing with these. When they originally went on clearance, I bought a couple and I was like, I'm going to be good. I'm not going to get a bunch. But there was more in the clearance section, and I could not believe that there was more back in the clearance. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take them. I've given people plenty of time to come in and grab them, so my turn. So I just snatched them all up. I really want to get into making cards. That was on my to-do list this year. I only made a few. I didn't make very many, so it's going to stay on my crafty, you know, to-do list for next year also. And I'm like, these are so cute. You get 4 pieces. They're ready-made shakers. They're only 74 cents. I just need a simple little card base. I could slap this on there. If I could find a small little happy birthday sticker, I think that'd be perfect right here. So I grabbed those. And then I love dinos. I just think they're so interesting. And that's why I love like crocodiles and alligators. They're just like little live dinosaurs. My family makes fun of me and calls me a T-Rex, you know, because that I have like short little like beady arms because I can't reach most things because I'm short. So I don't feel like I'm that short. I'm like 5'2". I'm like, I'm average. They're like, no, girl. But yeah, I just love dinos. So when I saw these again for 40 or was it 74 cents and you get 4 of them, I'm like, I need this because I will use this for my birthday. I will, you know, go ahead and figure out a way to change it up and make it good for Sunny. I was thinking just putting a little pom-pom right here, like a blue pom-pom, and then that will work for our birthdays too. So yeah, some cards, and then oh, this one's kind of messed up. So I figured for some cards and for some scrapbooking that these would work out great. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Merry Christmas. Let me know, did you guys go out and get anything for 66% off Hobby Lobby clearance, or are you waiting? I don't know if I want to go back at 75 and do like a big purchase, or if I am just going to wait until it hits 90. Because really, I don't need anything, but like for the price, like I need it. You know what I mean? And I did so good when it hit 50 that I didn't do any like huge purchases. I've just done like a lot of little things like this of stuff that I knew that I immediately wanted or needed. So yeah, let me know. Go back at 75 or wait until 90. What would you do? All right. Merry Christmas. We'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.